If we must move, if we must be in government, I want to say this. If we must be in government, we must be also feel that we are taken care of by the government. It's unfortunate. Now, ndio unaona mtu analeta kwa TV. There's people scaring us. You know, us, we have the numbers. We want to tell you we have numbers and we are going to ask our people going forward. This vote must account. Mkiona opportunity kidogo ikitokea inaenda mahali pamoja. Even hapa Nyanza, ana opportunity ikitokea inapotea. Tunaambiwa kwamba there is a minister who was talking about 4 counties. Eti pesa amepeleka huko. We are in Nyanza. If we are talking about Nyanza, we must be one team. And as a country. Sasa kuenda pande hiyo nasikia machungu sana na tutakutana na yeye nitamuuliza maswali. Unajua kuna wakati mpaka watu they miss the times of the late Mzee Nyachai. I think we are going back there. Hakuna mtu pia atacheza na sisi. Sisi pia tuko. We are part and parcel. Bwana Chirichiri. We are part and parcel of this country. Na lazima watu wengine pia waelewe namna hiyo. Wewe Kisi, the Omogusi community, and I want to state this. Omogusi community, the registered voters in Kisi is around 700,000. Nyamira 300. That's 1 million. 1 million. Then if you check around the country, Nairobi we have around 300,000. You go around the country, there is close to 1.1, around another 1 million registered voters. We have close to 2 million. We don't have numbers. I want to request you, give birth. We are putting in Ibora and registered voters so that people can realize we are many. Actually, as a community, even if you collect it, we have only 9 constituencies. Therefore, the money which has been sent to one constituency of a member of parliament is equivalent 10 constituencies. You saw the other day in this revenue sharing, some people, because they are in CRA, they have allocated more, even taking away more money from the allocations we have in counties into their regions. Then we are busy abusing each other here, fights to show off, nothing. One member of parliament in Muranga allocated himself because he was the chairman of budget in parliament 1 billion. Whereas, actually 1 point, I don't know what billion. 1.5 billion. Whereas our members of parliament, ambao tunapiga kutoka asubuhi mpaka jioni, they only get 100 million. Then he has put cabros in every school. He has even gone ahead to give bursaries, full scholarship. How do you compare that member of parliament with a member of parliament of Bonjari here who has only 100 million? And that money is not directly in education.